Hi children, in the previous video we discussed how to prove that cos of a minus b or cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. How we got that proof? How we got that formula? The total derivation we discussed in that previous video, no? So in this video we are going to discuss about that the next continuation formulas by using that cos of a plus b. Already we know that cos of a plus b formula, right? So continuation cos of a plus b, by using that formula how to find that cos of a minus b. Next, the sum of cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b, and the subtraction of cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b. So like that only, by using that sign also. Okay, we will see in this video. So first formula what we discussed, that is cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, this formula we discussed, right? So after this one, by using this formula, find that cos of a minus b formula. What is that? Cos of a minus b formula. Okay, let us see that. So see here, cos of a minus b, we can write this one as cos of a plus of minus b. Shall we write like this? Okay, why? Because we know that the formula for that a plus b. Now this is in the form of a plus b. B is negative angle, we written like that. Okay, so apply that formula here. Now this is in the form of cos of a plus b. So cos of a plus b formula, this one only, no? So write that cos a cos b. So at the place of b, we have to write that negative angle, that is cos of minus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So at the place of b, they given here minus b, no? So write that minus b. Clear? So which is equals to cos a, and we know that cos into any negative angle is always positive. Okay, already we know that, we learnt in the trigonometric ratios, right? So here cos a cos into minus b, so that is equals to cos b minus here sin a, and here sin into negative angle. Sin into negative angle is always minus sin. So minus sin b. Okay. So here cos a cos b, and here minus into minus is plus sin a sin b. Okay, completed. So this is the formula for that cos of a minus b. Okay. So cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So here cos of a minus b is equals to here cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here we have to observe only one thing, that is here negative sign is there. That's why we are getting here positive sign in that formula. And here positive sign is there, in that middle we are getting here negative sign for that cos only. Okay. So once again say that cos of a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So by using that formula here, we can find that cos of a minus b formula. Okay, so at the place of b, just we have to write it as a plus of minus b. So again you will get a minus b only, no? So that's why. So here now this is in the form of cos of a plus b. So at the place of b, we have to take that negative angle minus b. Am I clear? Yes. So finally you are getting that answer as cos of a minus b formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, that is the formula for that cos of a minus b. Now the third one is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b plus cos of a minus b. Now we know that those two formulas also, no? So tell me that those two formulas, cos of a plus b. So cos a cos b minus plus is there, no? So that's why here minus sin a sin b plus here cos of a minus b. So cos of a minus b formula cos a cos b. Here minus is there, no? So that's why plus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b. So here any cancellations possible or not? See here cos a cos b, and here plus cos a cos b. So 2 times of cos a cos b. Next minus sin a sin b plus sin a sin b. These two gets cancelled. Okay, so what is the answer for that? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B? 2 cos A cos B. What is that formula? 2 cos A cos B. Okay, this is for that addition. Now for that subtraction. So fourth one. Cos of A plus B minus of cos of A minus B. Okay, subtraction. So again write the formula here. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus of total bracket. Okay, so cos of A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, so simplify this. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and here minus into plus is minus cos A cos B, and here minus into plus again minus sin A sin B. Okay, so here any cancellations? Yes, cos A cos B, and here minus cos A cos B. Okay, and here minus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B. 2 times also negative value there. So minus, and here addition we are doing now. So minus 2 times of 2 sin A sin B. So this is the formula for that cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Okay, once again say that while you are adding that cos of A plus B and cos of A minus B, we are getting that answer as 2 cos A cos B. What is that? 2 cos A cos B. If you are subtracting that cos of A plus B and cos of A minus B subtraction, here we are getting minus 2 sin A sin B. So up to now, how many formulas we learned here? 4 formulas. The first one is cos of A plus B. Next one cos of A minus B. Next cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B. Next another one cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So totally 4 formulas we learnt. Okay. So after completion of cos, we are having that sin. Okay. So let us see. So next 5th formula is sin of A plus B. What is that formula here? Sin of A plus B formula we need to find out. Okay. So here sin of A plus B, we can write this one as, first I'll write here formula, later I'll tell you that proof. Okay. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is the formula. This is the formula to find that sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So what is the proof? So proof, see here. So sin of A plus B. So I am going to take here only LHS. By considering LHS, what is that LHS here? Sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B, we can write it as cos of 90 minus theta. Shall we write like that? Cos 90 minus theta is again sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. We know these conditions, right? Cos 90 minus theta. Here 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta is there, means here trigonometric ratio will be changed. Okay, 180 or 360 there means trigonometric ratio will not be changed. Remains same. So here, now this is in the form of cos of pi by 2 minus A plus B. So at a time here we have that A plus B. Okay, so that's why here just separate the terms. So cos of pi by 2 minus into A is minus A, minus into B is minus B. Okay, now we can write this one as just we have to pair that pi by 2 minus A and minus B. Okay, now this is in the form of cos A minus B. Yes or no? Here A is equal to pi by 2 minus A. So A is equal to pi by 2 minus A minus B. So compare with this formula. So what is that formula here? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Same only, no, those two. Okay, so just by comparing that one, use that formula here. Cos A. A means here pi by 2 minus A. Cos A. Cos B. Cos B means here B is there. This is not negative B. Already here minus is there. So here also minus is there. Plus of minus B is there. Then only we have to take B as minus B. Okay, so cos A cos B plus sin A is equal to here pi by 2 minus A sin A sin B. B as it is B only, no? So that's why. So here cos of pi by 2 minus A, pi by 2 means here 180 by 2, 90 degrees only, no? Okay, so 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, that is nothing but sin theta. So at the place of theta here we have A. So sin A cos B plus, this is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. So sin change it as cos A sin B. That's it. Hence it is proved. Same formula we got here. See that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is the formula for that sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Am I clear? Yes. So see the formula for that sin of A minus B. So next sixth one. Sin of A minus B formula. Okay. So sin of A minus B. What is that formula here? Yes. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Here also we will see the proof. See that. So here also take that LHS, that is sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. So sin of A minus B we can write it as cos 90 minus theta, just like the previous one only. So 90 means pi by 2. 90 minus theta. Theta means here A minus B. Okay, pi by 2 you can write, or else 90 also you can write here. Okay, so which is equals to cos pi by 2. Here minus into A is minus A, and here minus into minus is plus B. Okay, just group that pi by 2 minus A, and here B as separate. Okay, now this is in the form of cos of this total one, take it as A, cos A plus B. Cos of A plus B. So what is the formula? Cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Minus sin A sin B. So by using that formula here, okay, just simplify that. Cos of A plus B. So this is in the form of cos of A plus B. So apply that formula here. Cos A. So cos A means here pi by 2 minus A. Cos A cos B. Minus sin A means here pi by 2 minus A. Sin A sin B. Okay, so see here cos of pi by 2 minus A. Again just like the previous one only, cos of pi by 2 minus A. So which is equals to cos 90 minus A, which is equals to sin A. Okay, which is equals to sin A into cos B. Okay, minus sin 90 minus theta, which is cos A, cos theta. Okay, sin B. Okay, so that formula only we got it now. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Am I clear to you? Yes, see here. So what is the formula to find? Sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, so this is the another proof. Now we have that sum of sin of A plus B and sin of A minus B, and as well as the subtraction of sin of A plus B and sin of A minus B. Okay, so let us say that. And the seventh formula is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Here we will say what you will get. So what is the formula to find sin of A plus B? Sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, plus cosine of A minus B. sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. So any cancellations possible here? Yes, cos A sin B minus cos A sin B. These two gets cancelled. So here again we have same term sin A cos B, sin A cos B. So 2 times of sin A cos B. 2 times of sin A cos B. That is the formula for that sin of A plus B plus of sin of A minus B. Okay. Now for that subtraction, 8th formula. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Okay, so sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus of sin A minus B. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, now simplification. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus of sin A cos B minus into minus plus cos A sin B. Okay. Now here cancellations. Sin A cos B minus sin A cos B. Positive and negative. So gets cancelled. So after that we have here cos A sin B and here also cos A sin B. So which is equals to 2 cos A sin B. So this is the formula for that sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So children, in this video we discussed how many formulas totally? Totally we discussed 8 formulas and its proofs we discussed. Okay. So by using these 8 formulas, we will discuss that next worksheet 1 problems. Okay. So what is that first formula we discussed here? Cos of A plus B. Next one cos of A minus B. Next cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Next one cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So that is related to cos. Next come to that sin. Sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So totally how many formulas we learned? So totally 8 formulas and its proofs also we discussed in this video, right? So again we will meet with the next video. Okay, next continuation worksheet 1 problems we will discuss. Okay, thank you. So up to that time you have to by heart these all formulas and you have to understand how we got that formulas. So once again practice that. So after completion of that practice only go for that worksheet 1. Okay, thank you.